friends, here's some activities to do with frogs. This is a little game that you can cut out down here. There's frogs and lily pads and cattails. Cattails are these little flowers that come up that have this little oval shape on them that look kind of like a brush or a comb. And it says here you're going to put the frogs and here you're going to put the cattails and the lily pads. It's a sorting game. And here is a game with the instructions on, so you'll need an adult to help you. This is a dice that you can cut out, the frog and the lily pad and the cattail and a dragonfly and another kind of lily pad with a flower on it, a water lily, and a different kind of frog. And you're going to use that as a dice to spin. And you're going to record. Whenever you roll an item on this dice, you're going to record it here. So if you get a frog with his arms spread out, you're going to color this in one time. If you get a water lily, you're going to color it here. And then when you get all the way to the top, you're going to see which one has the most, the least, or about the same. And on this next game, it's in two parts. So you're going to need to put it together here. And then there's pieces on the third page. You're going to use these pieces, so you can use 1, 2, 3, 4 people at a time. And then here's another dice that you can cut out. And you're going to go from start across all these lily pads to get to the finish. If you stop on the lily pad that has one of these logs, you can go straight across. And the first one to get to the end is the winner. It's a really fun game to try. Then for our craft today, you're going to get a paper that looks like this. So you're going to cut out the circle or have an adult help you do that. And then you're going to put your finger, thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below, facing the ceiling. And you're going to cut out all the way across as best that you can. Hold one hand here, one hand in your scissors. And for this project, you're going to take your circle and fold it in half. And you're going to have 4 of these, and you're going to fold them back in 4. If you can't do that, just leave it the way it is. You're going to glue it on. I'm going to send you 2 eyes to put on here, but for right now, I'm just going to use my marker or my crayon to make eyes. You can make a nose if you want. You can make a mouth if you want. This can be the mouth. You can just put something on here. I can send you red paper and you can make a tongue. And then you're going to make your frog and you're going to have 4 legs. And then you can go hop along. Have fun, friends. Bye.